Now what is up fam, today I'm presenting you the T88 Diamondz Secret Sauce preset growth speed bank with 36 unique growth speed presets and also like filter effects. So let's just check it out. For this purpose I have put here a perfect drum set from our private jet rich drum kit, and also let's choose some cool MIDI melodies from our 808 money machine kit. So we're having the Uzi on Pierre MIDI here on our flex, and the first sound was like blue cardigan, second is gentle force, and the third is bite me, and all are on the same like melody midis. Yeah, so nothing changed here. I just play around with the volume and the panning here. Yeah, and we're having something like this. Yeah, and now let's try it out with our growth speed settings from the T88 Diamondz Secret Sauce preset bank. For this, for example, I really like the Pierre preset, and then for example the TM89 preset. So it sounds very like something from Southside or something from TM88. That's an example what we can actually do. We can also, of course, check out another MIDI melody or another loop. For example, let's take a loop from the Cache Placements VVS. So without any processing, it will sound like this. Already fire, yeah, you know. So we're putting it like on the mixer track number 8, and then let's test a few presets. Okay, that sounds very different right now, yeah? I know. So let's check out what I actually made here. So we're having here the original loop. Let's just put everything aside, yeah? So I disabled all effects. It sounds like that. It's already amazing, but actually with all effects on. So we have here the T88 reverse effect. Then we having the Fey effect, yeah, and this is like around 45%. Then we having the dip effect, so dips, and it's around 80%. Then we having a parametric EQ, just cutting out the high ends and the low end. Then a sound godizer, a little bit on B, around like. Then we having a delay, just a delay, nothing. The default preset around here 45%. Then the reverb, large hall, yeah, actually this one here, so the cathedral, and then I put it here around on 37%. Then again a growth speed, just the 808 Mafia preset, and then our Uzi shoot preset, and it's around 50%, and this one is also around like 58% with all together. So here's how it sounds before. And here's how it sounds after all the effects. I think it sounds amazing, yeah, very different, very cool, having something like Pierre Bourne vibe, of course word vibe here. So that's actually what you can do with the T88 Diamondz Secret Source preset grocery bank. And of course we're having a free demo sampler of this grocery bank, so you can literally download it down below in the description box. And when you want to check out the full version, of course, you can find it on the Xalabeats website. And yeah, we can also do quickly another one. For example, we choosing like a sample. Let's take a sample from the 808 Money Machine. So it's the Uzi on Pierre, and let's put it on 150. Yeah, and when you're asking yourself where you can find here the drums, it's actually, I think, the perfect drum set here from the Private Jet Rich drum kit, yeah. So let's take our effects and put it here on number 8. So when you're having like a chain, for example, like this effect chain here, you can literally just take any loop of here, yeah? For example, this one, put it on number 8, and it will sound directly completely different, yeah? For example, it sounds like this. Already amazing when we putting it here on our effect chain. Already amazing. Or we can even try something like this, so another growth speed. For example, the Fago Secret Source preset, this one here. Yeah, but that's just a bonus over it. Yeah, so you can mix it up, of course, with different growth speed banks from Xaler Beats. Yeah, and you can see you can accomplish a very cool sound. But overall, the T88 Diamondz secret sauce preset growth speed bank is actually one of my personal favorites. Yeah, I really like to use this one, and actually, of course, the Fago secret sauce preset kit, and here especially the Fago preset and the Art Magic. I love. Just check it out. Yeah, you can of course do everything like you've seen here in the video. You can actually copy my effect chain. Yeah, so basically it was a reverb, then we having second one was solfege like this, then a parametric CQ, soundgodizer, a delay, then our reverb, then again a growth speed bank like this. And when you have it one time, you can of course you can change up here the loops and try out some different sounds, and you will see you can literally make here some very unique work. So again, simply go to the description box, you can find a free demo sampler and check it out for yourself. Yeah, that's it with the video. Hope you enjoyed it, and see you in the next one.